In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Reddit username. This can be a bit tricky, so let's walk through the process step by step to make sure everything is crystal clear. Firstly, it's important to understand that Reddit doesn't typically allow users to change their usernames. This feature is primarily for those who have just signed up using Google or Apple, where you start with a temporary username. In these cases, you'll be given the opportunity to set a permanent username on your first login. This is crucial because once you've set that name, it's final and there's no going back. For those of you who aren't on your initial login or don't have a temporary username anymore, unfortunately, Reddit doesn't support username changes. If you're set on having a new username, you'll need to create a brand new account with the name you desire. Now let's get into how you can change your username if eligible, specifically on desktop. Begin by signing in at Reddit's website. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll do is navigate to the top right corner where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Settings. After clicking on Settings, you'll see several tabs at the top. You'll want to click on the Profile tab to access your profile settings. This is where you can make adjustments to your Reddit identity, including your display name if you're eligible for a change. Locate the section labeled Display Name. Here's where you can enter the username that you'd like people to see associated with your account. Once you've entered your preferred name, make sure you hit save to apply the change. It's crucial to double check your new username for any mistakes before saving because this is the name that will represent you across Reddit from now on. Although this process is straightforward for those with a temporary username, for anyone else, remember that your current permanent username can't be modified. If you find yourself in this situation and you're not ready to part ways with your current account to switch names, consider other ways to express your individuality on Reddit, such as by customizing your profile. And there you have it. While changing your Reddit username isn't an option for all accounts, these steps will help those who qualify to set their permanent username. As always, feel free to reach out with any questions or leave comments if you need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and good luck editing your Reddit identity if you're eligible. Have fun navigating the Reddit community.